Well, hi again. This is another day after yesterday we talked about it, how basically the markets are getting positioned in terms of quite tentative, quite cautious trade, right? Of U.S. Fed meeting outcome, and there are a lot of macro events here in terms of Bank of England again, the monetary policy, and then the monthly jobs data. Now, in terms of Indian macro data, the data actually is not looking too bad. US Fed meeting again, there is no expectation of a rate cut this time, but more the commentary is going to be more important how actually the US Fed is looking, because that perhaps could be stamping whether the US Fed is going to increase the rate hike in the December meeting. Now, having said that, how are the markets looking? In futures, Nifty, Bank Nifty, short positions were being created, but I don't think so there's anything of a major concern here, because bullish positions were being created in options. Now, how do I say Nifty in terms of levels? 10,180 to 10,500. That's the range here. So even if Nifty drifts towards 10,180 or Nifty stays around 10,320, which is also a good support level. Again, any two levels, if they actually are respected or maintained, Nifty trades around there, it's fine, because overall the bias and the positions data that indicates that markets actually are prepared to move higher towards 10,500 in the November series. So again, that basically is a number one conclusion here, that for now, slight caution, tentative, because a lot of macro data. But because the Asia cues are very strong today, so markets perhaps are going to start on a positive note. And because 10,320 was maintained yesterday, I won't be surprised if the markets again start gaining strength. Now, what could be driving again should be interesting here is that in Bank Nifty again, PSU banks were not able to hold on to the gains, and that's what actually I have been saying over the last few sessions, that already basically the recapitalization, those sort of gains in stock prices has already been done. So if actually you're turning very positive or structurally positive, then actually you have to watch out for some sort of dips. Dips actually are going to provide you entry point. Just expecting the stocks are going to double, I think that's very aggressive. In terms of buying, again, yesterday buying was seen on reality stocks, infra stocks, reality stocks like DLF again, very high volumes, good sort of build up in open interest. Again, that stock looking really interesting. Lot of chemical names again, Kiri Industries, Make Money Organics, Gujarat Alkali, GSFC, all stocks basically saw very sharp accumulation, very high accumulation, high volumes. The FNO stock in particular, very high open interest build up. So I took the names of four stocks here, again repeating: GSFC, Gujarat Alkali, and then also some stock like Kiri Industries and Make Money Organics. All stocks basically were looking really good. And again, so perhaps the sentiment data perhaps is actually supportive for both Bank Nifty and Nifty. Bank Nifty levels again looking good, below 25,200, and for Nifty again, it's looking bias actually looking positive. Have a good profitable day.